Alright, hey, it's Locksmith here. We're going to change the battery here on our 4-3 button remote. For this task here, you will need a flat tip screwdriver. If your keyring is attached, you'll want to go ahead and remove it. It gives less chance of damaging the remote, and it makes it a heck of a lot easier doing it. If you follow your seam, you'll see there's an indentation that sits down farther. That's where you want to put your flat tip screwdriver in and go ahead and rotate. Turn that screwdriver and it'll pop open. That's one way to do it. I'm also going to show you can do it with a dime or a washer. Go ahead and put that in there and just twist it, and the two halves open. This is a 2032 battery. Pull your battery out, you're done. Put your new battery in, and you notice it doesn't want to go in. That's because you've got to come in at an angle with this. So when you come in, put it in, push in, and slide the battery back, and it should sit flush. This one likes to pop up because that's Ford and their ingenious design. Make sure your rubber is on. Don't want no leakage. Go ahead and put the two halves together and just go and squeeze it. You've heard it snap together. Walk your fingers around, make sure it's seated, and as you notice, you just got done changing your battery. Thanks for watching Locksmith. Go ahead and leave a comment if you found this helpful for you. Hit that subscribe button. We'll be posting videos, and thanks again for watching.